Welcome to this video on distributed data processing. We explore how MapReduce and Apache Spark power artificial intelligence by distributing massive workloads and building the modern data grid. When dealing with big data, single nodes often overload. As datasets exceed RAM limits and vertical scaling reaches its physical boundaries, the system eventually trips the breaker, signaling a need for distributed architecture. We are seeing a generational shift to high-performance processing. While legacy MapReduce faced resistance by writing to disk, Apache Spark acts like a superconductor, computing in memory using directed acyclic graphs to achieve significantly faster iterations. This is the Spark architecture blueprint. The driver acts as the substation to translate user code. The cluster manager allocates resources, and executors function as relays, running tasks and holding data in memory. Choosing the right data representation is critical. Resilient Distributed Datasets, or RDDs, offer manual control, while DataFrames provide structured schemas that automatically trigger the Catalyst optimizer for better performance. When drawing the electrical schematic of a job, Spark builds a directed acyclic graph. The system plans operations before execution, mapping the entire forward route for efficiency. Processing happens in two phases. First, transformations record instructions lazily. Second, actions trigger the actual execution, flipping the switch to deliver the final result. Managing resistance is key. Narrow transformations keep data on the same partition, maintaining low resistance. Wide transformations, however, redistribute data across the cluster, which increases network electrical resistance. Wide transformations create the shuffle, our ultimate bottleneck. Because nodes exchange massive data volumes, potential data skew can overload partitions. Engineers must minimize these network shuffle operations. Fault tolerance is built in. By tracing RDD lineage, if hardware fails in a large cluster, the system can trace the blueprint backward and recompute only the exact lost partition. We must also consider the hard limits of power. According to Amdahl's law, adding nodes eventually yields diminishing returns. The parallelizable fraction of your code enforces a maximum speed limit. A prime industrial application is the Netflix recommendation engine. It ingests billions of viewing events, using Spark's MLLIB for collaborative filtering and real-time updates to user profiles through matrix decomposition. In summary, raw data enters the grid, the Catalyst optimizer plans the route, and executors process data in memory. This fault-tolerant architecture allows systems to scale horizontally with ease.